嚟到第11題，題目就話 A sum of P dollar is deposited at an interest rate of 4% per annum for 5 years 啦，然之後 compounded quarterly， 咁就即係有 P 咁多錢就存喺銀行 4% per annum， 但係佢係 compounded quarterly， 咁所以咧佢係4% 除4，然之後佢話存5年啊嘛，但係佢 compounded quarterly 即係一年咧係會計嗰個利息4次嘅，咁5乘4咧就係20，咁然之後佢話最後佢得到嗰個 amount 咧係8萬蚊嘅話，咁究竟 P 係幾多？咁我哋可以撳一撳我哋嘅計數機啦。8萬除以1加4% 再除4，就乘佢嘅20次方，咁 P 就會得到係65564嘅。佢話 correct to the nearest integer 啊嘛，咁所以答案係 B 啦。